I'm Olivier. I'm the CTO at Solwr Robotics. Solwr Robotics is a Norwegian company solving logistic challenges using robots. Grabs works into wholesaler 3PL industries. It's the only mobile picking robot on the market. It's doing end-to-end picking. The issue in logistics is that it's hard to recruit operators, and it's very heavy lifting. The alternative to manual picking is fully automatized warehouses. Motion planning is difficult because Grab is working in an unstructured environment with many different packages, many different shapes. We have transparent bottles and with a transparent plastic wrapping around. We can have humans or unexpected objects in the way. We need to create very quickly good path for picking operations. So we need to detect the objects and to find a path in between them. Sometimes you just have a few millimeters to pull out the objects. A Zivid motion planner clearly offers faster computation time, better path, safer path, further away from potential obstacles. And at the end, it just delivers more items per hour. We have been working with Zivid for several years. They make really good quality cameras with excellent support. Their motion planning software is at the image of their camera product. Before using Zivid Motion Planner, we had a custom solution which was working, but it was a bit slow, sometimes moving too close to obstacles. The advantage of the Zivid Motion Planner is that it's calculating its path in tenths of a second. It creates very good, almost as linear as possible path in the disponible environment. It's used to calculate the path of the end effector of the robot gripper to the item we want to pick and from the picking position to the stacking pallet. It's also able to handle picking, also touching the item on the stacking pallet. One thing we wanted to mention is the Zivid excellent support. They are very reactive to any issues arising in production, but also during development time. They have been very quick to help us fix issues for new items or new special cases that nobody could expect. Grab has been on the market already a few years, and it has been industry proven. Currently, we have 12 robots at customers using Motion Planner. Many more are coming out, and this is scaling up quickly. We are very proud of it.